What's good, YouTube? So it's been like a month since I uploaded the first YouTube video for this channel, and I've really been busy. I said I'm a student, and I had my project to deal with, and also exams. So I finally got the 10 trade account, the Profam account, $3,000. I bought it on discount for was this Monday. So I made a trade I got a trade on BTC and made some profit. So I used the profits to get the account, and so I'm going to show you how I got the account on 10 Trade. It's a very nice broker. I've been using it, and I've blown like 4 accounts already. For 5 accounts, I've blown like 5 accounts already. So this is the seed that I'm getting. This is the seed account I'm getting, and I hope it goes well. I've made my trading plan, which I'm going to follow, and well, let's just see how it goes. So I'm just going to take it out to the dashboard and show you how I purchased the account, and I'll show you some trades I took this week, because this week I've actually ended this week in small profits, $46 I think, yes. So I'm going to show you I got the account, show you the trades I took this week, and show you how the account looks like right now. Let's go. Alright, so this is my day trade dashboard, and this is my current balance, 25.68 dollars. So I just deposited the exact amount I needed to purchase the account. Normally the account is $32, but it's currently on discount, so it's 25.6. So let's just go ahead and buy the account. So I'll come down to apply now and actually purchase another account. Then trade evaluation. There's also instant funding, but I'm doing the evaluation. The mini challenge, which is a $3,000 account. So I'll scroll down now, continue. Is that it? Guys, let me see, I think that's it. So the account has been purchased. This is it. 10 Trade platform, yes. This is the account. So I think the logins have been sent to my email address, and I'm going to then take it from there and log into my MT5. So guys, I also have like a trading journal on Notion where I journal my trades. It's something I started recently, and I think it's going to help me a lot, because it's best I journal my trades so that when I'm reviewing at the end of the week, I can know the mistakes I made during each trade and reasons why I took the trade. And for the mistakes, when I review, I will know not to make those same mistakes the next time. It's very important to journal your trades, and it's something I've been neglecting since, and maybe that's why I was not growing real fast or what, but I decided to take it very serious. I journal all my trades. I'm just going to show how my journal looks like, and there's something I need to do. I need to reduce the amount of trades I take each week, because this week, as I just bought the account, I've taken almost 10 trades and just 2 went well, but the account is still in profit. So that's the power of risk management, because I think I have a very good risk management strategy. I'm risking just $20 per trade on a 3K account, which is so I need to take like about 13 losses before I blow the account, and that's just how it's going to be. Let's see how it is. Let's look at the journal. Okay guys, so this is my Notion dashboard, my trading journal, and I'm just going to quickly go through the trades I took this week on my 3K account. So this is let me first go to the list view. These are the dates. June 15, this is the first day I placed the first. No, this is the BTC that I took to buy the account. June 16, this is when I started trading the account. So this was Monday, I think. This was Monday, and these are the trades I took. This is the first trade I took, which was a win on GU, and I made 3%, but it's not actually 3% of the trading account. I risked $20 a trade and I make 60, so that's 3% for me, though it's not 3% for the 3K. So that's how I'm calculating it. It was a win, and since then I took a break even on USDJPY. This trade actually went in profit huge profits from here to here. Then it reversed and took me off a break even in the news. Then I entered again. I re-entered. That's where I took this other trade, which I held for a few days. It went to $100 profit and it reversed on me again, but actually closed at 77. So this is it was also a win. And since then, these other trades I took was a loss on gold. Gold is a very big guy, very wicked, and I'm not trading gold anymore. I'm done with gold. So, and this was GEO, a loss. It stopped me out, it just wicked me out and went my direction. It ultimately went to TP, but it took me out with a week. That's part of trading. And this is another GEO trade I took. It just stopped me out completely. This one stopped me out for a 1% loss, and this was the latest loss I took on EuroJPY on Friday. This trade, I was not even supposed to take this trade, but I ran out of FOMO. I just heard it and entered the trade and it stopped me out. So I lost 4 trades, 1 break even and 2 wins, and the account balance is at 47. It was supposed to be at 50 something, I think, but with swap and commission. So that's it. Overall, it's still a profitable week and I'll take this every day. The aim is to be profitable, but from next week on I want to reduce the amount of trades I take. These trades are too much. I want to take at most, let me say 5 trades a week, but if my setup shows, I'll take it. I'm not scared to take my setup, so that's just it. But I just want to reduce the amount of trades I take. I don't want to spend so much time on the charts every week. So guys, we have come to the end of this video, and the aim of this channel is to document my trading journey and my progress. So if this is something you're interested and you want to follow along, you can get your own Profirm account, whichever Profirm you like, but for now I'll use 10Trade. And if you want to get a 10Trade account, there's a link in the description below, and use code RUSEL when you're registering your account. So that's basically it. If this is something you like and you want to follow along, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel.